Hey y'all, in this video we're going to go over the Mini Inferno and why I personally think that you should take at least a can of it with you anytime you go out in the bush. Stay tuned. It comes in a tin can with 6 of these little discs, and nice thing about them is that they're very easy to use. They're also waterproof. Basically what it is, it's cotton, and it has wax on the top around it, and then it's impregnated by some flammable substance. Another great thing about these is that they last between, I want to say, probably about 5 minutes or so. So it gives you plenty of time to start a fire, especially if you have material that's been out in the cold and it's all wet. Again, it's waterproof, that's why you can hear it crackling. Also, another good thing is, like I said, it comes in this tin, so even after you get done using all these out, you still have a tin to use for other you have other uses for them. Example is, I have a tin out of this that I just keep my fishing hooks in. Another option you have is, if you have fat wood, you can scrape the little dustings off and put them in here. So there's a lot of varieties that you have, but that's why I think that this is a great option for anybody to have while they're outside, is because, for one, it lasts for a long time. It also comes in a great tin that you can use after the fact. Another great thing is that it's windproof to a certain extent. I mean, hurricane winds probably not, but out here where it's windy, it's working just fine. I'm sticking this little piece of ice right here just to kind of show that even with this being around it, it's still working just fine, and it's lasting a very long time. So another good thing about this too is, if you only needed half of it to make your fire, you still got an extra half that you can use at a different time. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video using the Mini Inferno. I hope that it kind of helped you out, whether or not decide to buy one or not. That's up to you. But I always carry these with me. Again, once I use all these pieces up, I have the tin that I can use for other uses. So thank you all for watching. Y'all take care and stay safe.